Welcome to lesson 29 of algebraic concept, solve two-step equations. All right, so we're solving two-step equations. There's a vocabulary. All right, so in a two-step equation, you have some number, a, multiplied to your variable. Then you add or subtract some other number, and that equals some other number. So the first step is to get rid of the addition or subtraction and then the multiplication or division. So basically, the way this works is we know order of operation as PEMDAS or GEMDAS or whatever. All right. The order of operation is actually this: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division are equal and opposite, and so are addition and subtraction. So this is regular order of operations. When solving equations, you do the addition and subtraction, then the multiplication and division, and then maybe your exponents and your parentheses. So everything works backwards, basically. So you're flipping the script on these two sections of your PEMDAS. So I just wanted to say that before we get started. Okay, so there's no sign in front of the 3, so we know that is positive. And so we're going to deal with this one first. This number has to get moved first, because we can't, just arbitrarily multiply and divide. So work PEMDAS backwards. So subtract 3 from both sides, rewrite everything, and then divide both sides by 2. Now x equals 6. So 3 plus 2 times 6, which is 12, will give you 15. Okay, so now we have minus 16, and so we do the opposite of that. So we add 16 to both sides, rewrite everything, and divide, and then x equals 4. So make sure that you do one operation at a time and rewrite your whatever's left over. A lot of people like to skip these steps, and this is where they make mistakes with solving equations. So those were our 2 examples. See me at the end of this video for the recap. Okay, so this is actually x over 12 plus 4 equals 3. So I'm going to subtract 4, and x equals 12. X over 12 equals negative 1. Then I'll multiply by 12 because 12 is in the bottom. And so x equals negative 12. Okay? And to check it, negative 12 divided by 12 is negative 1 plus 4 equals 3. So it works. Okay, 6 divided by z minus 6. So the first thing we got to do is add 6. And then we have 6 divided by z equals 18. Then we multiply by z. We got to multiply by z, I'm sorry. Because z is being divided. So now we got to multiply by z on both sides. And I know this is a little odd, so let me rewrite this as a fraction so it is clearer for you all. So this is where it gets kind of tricky. And I want to make sure that this is clear. All right, so what we have is 6 over z equals 18. Now, since z is in the bottom, we have to multiply both sides by z. And now we have 6 equals 18z. Now we divide both sides by 18. And we get 1/3 equals z. And if we stick that back in, let's check it. I'm just going to check this one. So 6 divided by 1/3 minus 6 equals 12. And we know that when dividing fractions, you change the division to multiplication, you flip the fraction over. So 18 minus 6 is 12 for all of the people that needed proof. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.